looking at the English pub and Bollywood in the background there. Look at all the petals, I suppose they are, that have come off the Hudakawa here. Oh, it's big drifts of them. Quite amazing. Quite amazing, I've never seen it like that. This one too, look, it's all over the ground here. So, there's a few changes along here. Hospice, though, still there. The pie shop's still there. I don't think they won a prize this year for their pies. I haven't had a good pie for a while. I had a lamb and kumara pie in Taihape. It wasn't bad. So this is the old BNZ. Now this is going to be a bar. And this ginger snap thing is an ice cream shop. So the denture centre is still there, but their big sign, you remember they had a big sign up here with false teeth. I wish I'd got a photo of it. Chemist, hairdresser, Christmas tree, the post shop. They're not called post offices anymore. The one in Palmerston North, which took up almost the whole city block, is empty. And across the road there's this little thing called a post shop, which is in the newsagent. Just incredible how that whole business has gone. Well, we have these new recycling bins now. Everything goes in there, glass, metal, paper, a whole lot. Chinese run the recycling business. So you really wonder how much of it actually ends up being recycled and how much of it just gets dumped. So usually along here on my morning walks I find those little sushi fish, little plastic containers. I found half a dozen on Sunday, I think. Cafe there, still there. Murray McCulley's office, he's going to step aside. Key's gone. Key has parachuted himself out. So something obviously is about to hit the fan. And Key, the arch cunning rat that he is, has bailed out, and McCulley's going too. So I'd say he's probably going to be dodging it and get his pension and his overseas flights and everything. There, that cafe there had a fire a long time ago, in the beginning of winter or something. That's where Johan had his exhibition, and they haven't repaired it yet, so I guess it's some insurance thing probably. I don't know. Kids' playground, they don't like old men with cameras looking at kids. And there's some girls doing the old hula hoop. So, all very pleasant. They can walk their dogs till 10 o'clock. Could do with some warm weather, I tell you. More tree. More tree. Oh look, there's a towel. That's been there for a few days, so I'll take that towel. I could do with a new one. Those two you gave me. I've lost one, I think. And one's got a hole in it somehow. Anyway, so that'll be good. I'll use this one in the van. So, heading home now.